Yacht Club. Race 2 of the what we call the Frosbite series. Not too cold though today. Not frostbitey at all. That's the J90 over there.
Yeah, it's the lake.
Trying out his huge, it looks like an asymmetrical spinnaker. Wow.
It's coming from that way.
Lots of pictures about it. Actually have a race here. The wind is filling in on the lake.
Okay, Mariah, we are ready.
Here we go towards the line, coming about 5 seconds. Let's see how long it takes us to get to committee. Committee boat has the course up, but we're all taking a poll on whether we are going to have a race or not. The wind does seem to have died again. But he does have the course set up. I got 5 minutes to pee. Nap time. Takes a lot of patience, this sailing, and then when you're not being patient, you're being challenged.
Yes. 5 minutes.
Hollering in the boom. But of course it has to be done in record speed.
That's the way I do stuff. I do everything. I get don't need no help.
All by myself, all by myself. Oh my God, they can't make up their minds. Greedy boat is moving and he still has postponement flag, but everyone's hanging around for this wind.
Water taxi.
Yeah, water taxi.
$20.
Guess I owe you another beer, huh?
Cheers!
Oh, I know, but he's sailing. I know we can't go out there.
Wind envy.
Yeah, he is freaking hauling us.
Forecasted, the wind came up. It's 1 o'clock. It's exactly what they said.
We're doing 5.7, 5.8.